train shooting through the lonely night, trying to get home, baby, oh broad daylight. I'm just sitting back, sipping on some day old wine, slow and easy one more time, slow and easy one more time. No more people than I was when I was wild, slow and easy, got to take that same old high.
So, always, I got the bottom of the front, probably about down to here, fucking chined up. So, working on now. I got, all this, the block, shit here is shined out. Back in here is gonna be a motherfucker. Kind of hoping we gotta take the bottom part of the engine apart so I can get to it a little easier, but if not, we'll just fucking deal with it. What I'm thinking is, I don't know if you can see, but these little ridges, right there, boom. I like to take those tits off. I mean, you don't have to. No sense in it really, but I get you set back up here. Well, no sense in it really, but I mean, no need for them either. So, you know, we were talking about acorns. I'd also like these to be brass or, you know, something different. The oil tubes, instead of just having fucking stock chrome oil tubes, I'd like to do some copper, have them come down and some little shit going on. Maybe switch this one, this side over here, have a little X right there, you know, just something. You know, possibilities are endless, really. Just gotta have a little imagination. But like, you can see these bolts here. I mean, we're gonna chine them up and everything, but it'd be a hell of a lot cooler if they had some character, you know, not just a fucking bolt. So, anyway, sanding. Kind of avoided this side earlier because of all the small area. So anyway, got the case shined up pretty good. It was already good. Pops did it, you know, back in the 80s. So